Hey everyone, we're back again today working on the Braniff 747 concept cabin, made in part thanks to a grant from Humanities of Texas and National Endowment for the Humanities and from the Eugene V. McDermott Foundation here in Dallas at the University of Texas at Dallas. So as you see, we've got the black painted onto the wooden panels that we created, that we made, that will hold the individual window wall panel, the color wall panel units. So we've gotten all four of those completed now. They're in place. They look pretty good. They turned out good. They're actually pretty strong, pretty good bit of strength on them there. And they look good. Now you're only going to see about 1 inch all the way around the whole thing, but it's coming along. So that's where we are now. We're getting ready to do the overhead ceiling panels, which will go all along here, just as they do on a real 747. Those will actually be lighted up. And we've created a unique kind of a bridge system, wiring system with these wires here. There'll be 3 on each of the 4 main panels, and there'll be about 2 panels over the door unit, so 6 total. And these wires will enable us to extend these things, cantilever them out over to the side here, and that way they'll be supported and look as they would if they were attached to the actual ceiling. So quite a bit done. Our next project is we're going to be mounting the colorful wall panels here, getting those installed, and that'll be completed. And then we're going to start working on the door and getting that framing ready, which that will of course go here. L1 would go at this point here. You can see there are the ceiling panels. You can see the special hooks that we've installed that keeps those going, that the wires will attach to, that you saw there on the floor. So we're getting there, coming along. Hopefully we'll have this done by June as scheduled. Talk soon.